only 3 more sleeps, and we gotta cross number 3. It's only 2 more sleeps.
Well done. Okay, cross it.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Now it's only 2 more sleeps.
Yay! So exciting.
It's only 2 more sleeps to go.
Show
in
to
the
Holly. Show.
Holly, look. 2 more sleeps. 2 more sleeps. It's only 2 more sleeps to go, guys.
And where are you going today?
We're going to the Philippines.
No, today. Where are you going today?
We're going to the Philippines.
I'm going to school. Aba, ang tahimik nila, oh. Tapos sila mag-almusal. Nandyan sila naglalaro ng Legos. That one's actually really good, that table. Lego table. Ang cute nila. Alam niya ba si ate, pinalitan niya. Marunong na siyang gumamit ng remote, si Harley. Pinalitan niya ang aming TV screen. Ay, yung bulaklak natin. Oo, namulaklak na yun. Bumuka na ang kanyang flowers. Daling ko pala itong mga readings ni Harley. And yeah, dinala namin kay mother lahat ng indoor plants ko. Pupunta na lang siya dito sa bahay ko. If hindi umulan ng ilang araw para i-water niya yung natin. You got a present for me?
Yeah.
Wow!
I built a circus for you.
Oh, a circus?
That was one.
What is this?
That is a present for the candies. Don't eat it, but it's yucky.
Oh, it's a circus?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Made of chocolates.
Oh, it made of chocolate.
It's over there.
Is it dark chocolate?
Yes.
Yum. Oh, look at this, guys. And even have some lollies in there that I can't eat. This one, lollies, candies. Because it's yucky.
Yeah, but it has germs. You might eat it, but don't eat it. It's yucky.
Kiss, thank you. Give Mama a kiss because we're going to go to school soon.
Mommy.
I'll just finish my coffee. Do you want banana?
Mommy, you need to eat you Tina.
Some coffee?
You may eat you coffee, but
Maybe.
you might have dessert for pretending.
Okay.
Pretending to eat it.
Yes. Thank you. Brush your teeth soon, ah. You tell ate, brush your teeth soon because we're gonna go to my school, Lai.
Why are you going to your school?
No, your school. Me and Holly gonna drop you off.
Boo.
Hopefully Holly doesn't want to go to Kmart. Hopefully she doesn't want to go to Kmart.
A-E-M.
Kmart. Yeah, so idadrop namin. Kahapon hindi ko na siya sinama kasi umuwi naman si daddy niya. So sabi niya, uwi na lang ako para hindi mo nadalhin si Harley maghatid kay Riker para hindi na siya magpapunta sa malling dahil marami pa akong gagawin. So ngayon, hindi ko pa kasi napack yung mga damit ko, guys. So, hopefully, hindi magpapunta yan sa mall.
Mommy,
What should I say to Holly if she wants to go to the AML?
Mommy, did you like this? That you have a candy now?
I thought it's yucky.
No, it's not. It is. And the end is open. Open it, Mommy. It's just chocolate. It's tasty.
Yeah,
I can pretend.
I love it.
And look, I found.
What's Holly building?
Look at this.
Skip na ng ano ko.
Mommy.
Pants ko.
Mommy, look at.
Mommy's flat. So guys, I'm gonna go to school. See you later.
See you later. Blue.
Ayan, I think this is what I'm gonna wear sa airport na lang. Para comfy. Dress. And itong crop top na kasi malamig eh. Malamig sa airplane. And I'm not sure kung anong shoes. Ba, ayan na lang, no? Kasi ayoko mag-leggings para hindi tight sa ating tummy. So yeah, I put all my clothes in here na. So, alagay ko na lang sa packing bags. Si Ben, dito niya nilagay yung kanya. So, 2 packing bags lang yung akin. And 3 kay Ben. Kasi yung sineparate ko yung pambahay niya and socks and undies. Top yun and bottoms dito. And akin halo-halo na lang. And, so try kong mag 2 luggages, no? But we'll see. Nandito kasi yung mga abubot or mga snacks and vitamins and toiletries. Ito ko sana ilalagay. And mga chocolates na pasalubong. But I'll try fit that in here. Yung shoes din pala nandito. So, I don't know. Okay na yan. Magtatong luggage siya ng alis. Magagaan naman lahat. Yeah. Kasi yung isang luggage is for the kids. I packed that already. So, everything they need is there. So, bali yung 3rd luggage. This one is just extras. And plus our shoes. And the kids' shoes. And yung mga toiletries and mga pinamili ko. So, ito lang. So, malalagay ko lang dito. Maybe snacks. I'll pack some snacks. And yeah. And then obviously yan yung carry-on namin. Yung business bag din pala ni Ben. Ay, napa. So yeah, Harley's been good. Kaka-on ko lang ng TV kasi she's just been playing with Play-Doh. Right, ate? She's a good girl. And si Ben siya na mag-pick up kay Riker mamaya. I'll probably just gonna cook some eggs for lunch. Ano na, 11:16. So, I'll do some editing muna while she's still occupied. You guys, i-harvest pala natin itong sampayan, charot. Hindi yung spinach natin kasi ilagay natin sa ating itlog pang omelette. Kami ai. Baka basa yung grass natin kasi na-ulan. Ayan. Ang laki na eh. Holly, let's harvest our spinach. So, broccoli natin, wala. Natotomba talaga siya. Kailangan kong i-separate yan. Uy, kala niya mag-water siya ng plant. Kumuha na siya ng tubig. Oh. I don't think we need to water them, baby, because it's been watered from the rain. Oh, baba. Ay. Oh, diba? Automatic. Okay, thank you. That's enough. We'll pick it. Ayan, we'll harvest it. Wala pa kaming basket na ang harvest here. Sabi, wag daw putulin sa from out there. Look! Holly, look! Holly! Here! We're gonna harvest our spinach now. Yum! We'll eat it. It's very organic. We'll harvest it now. Do not harvest it from the outer. Oh, huh? Cute. Kainin natin. Ayan, okay na yan. Maliliit na iba eh. Ayan. Oh, diba meron tayo pang spinach sa ating omelette. Mag-omelette lang kami with toast for lunch and some veggies. 11:36 na guys. Ayan. Lunch na kami ni ate guys. Ayan yung aming spinach omelette. Ayan yung kanya. Bigyan ko rin siya ng toast with peanut butter. Ayan, nakapag-shower na pala kami ni ate guys. 5:16 na. And striker din pala. Nag-bath na kami. Sinundo yan ni daddy niya. We're just gonna order pasta for dinner. Nagpabili sana ako sa kanya ng minced beef kasi maglutong akong pasta. Kasi madali lang ito. So yun, nakalimutan niya naman, no? Oh, baby, can you throw that one so it doesn't make a mess? So yeah, mag-order na lang tuloy kami. I'm tired. I've done lots of washing today. But, yeah. Ayan, nakapagtupi na rin ako. Nakadalawa na akong basket na tupi. Ay, tatlo. So, ito. And hinintay ko pa yung nasa dryer. Nag-dryer na lang pala ako, guys. And then, sinampay ko yung mga hindi pwede sa dryer. Maubos yung ating labahan. Para wala tayong labahan pag uwi. And then, si Ben ang toka sa vacuuming and mopping tomorrow. Sabi ko tomorrow na siya maglinis dahil alam mo na yung mga bata magkakalat sa Si Riker, wala na siyang pasok bukas but I'm gonna take him to a play date. Si Harley, sana dadalhin ko din kasi si Ben, dali niya na daw sa work. Hindi naman siya masyado mag-work. Pupuntahan lang siya and sabi ko, dali niya na rin sa therapy kasi may therapy pa si ate bukas. How many more sleeps to go, Harley? So, si Riker lang kasama ko tomorrow morning.
Can I have last one?
I know, hindi ka na have dinner na.
Can I have sex only?
Eh? Yan sabi ko, mag-ano na lang siya, prutas. Gutom siya pag-uwi eh. Hanggang her.
Thank you.
That's healthier, yeah? Good morning, you guys! Kami na talagang lalabas na. Ay, naka. May playdate nga kasi kami. Kakancel ko na nga sana. Kaso si Riker na upset siya. Gusto niya daw makita yung kaibigan niya. So, pahirapan natin yung sarili natin, ano? May therapy din kasi si ate mamaya. So, hopefully Ben will be home by 1.
Where's the taxi?
Where? Oh, there is a taxi. Mommy's gonna book a taxi for tomorrow. Because where are we going tomorrow?
A Philippines.
Wow. Yeah. So, sa mall lang naman kami pupunta. Sabi ko sa mall na lang sila maglaro kasi medyo malamig. Dapat dadalhin niya sana si Harley today. Sabi ko, iwan mo na lang kasi baka hindi naman kami lalabas. Lumabas pala. Okay. Do you have your seatbelt?
Yes.
Or how come you're sitting like that? It's out, Riker. It's been gloomy. Ay, nakakatawa kasi sobrang init niya sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, antosawa talaga sila mag-swimming yan. Sana hindi naman sila sipunin or ano. Kasi from lamig to huwag naman sana. Tutubo na tayo. Nandun tayo kay Biberchella eh. Ay, di na lang si Abinsi na lang.
Oh, that's the thing.
Yes, nandito na kami sa Target, guys. We're walking, shopping around now. They're done playing sa playground. Ayan. Hi, Zara. Zara and Kenzie. Tingnan mo yung mga anak ko, nanghingi ng ano, cookie. Let's go to Kmart! Oh my God. Ano kayang isa shopping ni Madam? What are you gonna shop here, Holly? She's happy. Ayan, na on the hunt na siya sa dress. Ayan. Harley have yellow dress. Oh wow, what you got? Squishy. Harley got a yellow dress. She's happy now. Good job, Bobby. Yeah, that's where it is. Yeah. Ang cute ng boys. Okay, Harley. Riker wants a gummy. We'll go to Woolies. Quickly. Drive-thru na lang pala ako ng Carl's Jr. for lunch. Kasi sira naman na yung diet natin yan for starting tomorrow. So, i-start natin today.
I love mommy.
I know, the kids had fun. So they played at the playground. Ang tagal lang ng ano to. Yes. Okay. But yeah, si Harley, very good siya. Kala ko wala siyang makahanap sa Kmart, ano, dahil panay nga siya nagre-request na mag-Kmart. And buti nakahanap naman siya ng gusto niyang yellow dress. So ipack niya yun, idali niya sa Pilipinas. Apple juice. This one's the apple juice, yeah? Sparkling? Sparkling water? Ah, thank you. Then bumili na rin ako ng ano lang, grapes tsaka ilang mandarins para mabaon namin bukas. Kasi naubos na nila kanilang umaga, guys. At pinabaunan ko rin kasi sila sa playground kanina. Ay, naka.
Mommy, are we outside?
Yeah, we'll just eat in the car, baby. Thank you. Yeah, are you hungry, guys? No? So I don't know if Daddy's gonna be home and look after you, or am I gonna take you as well to Ate's therapy? Busy ni Daddy, hindi nasagot. Maaga-aga pa naman kami, so baka uwi muna kami. You guys, pinater ko na pala yung plants. Si Harley nag-water. Eh look, kaya ko lang napansin, meron na kaming strawberry. Ang cute. Tapos ito meron pa. Bali, 4 na yung nabilang ko. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
It's starting to grow.
It's starting to grow. You're right, Riker. Look at that. It's exciting.